Hi Jose, thank you for allowing me the opportunity to shoot this custom video for you. I've done some pretty deep research on Garden Shop and here is what I have come up with. So start out when we Google or when a person Googles landscape Bellevue, here's what comes up. So the first part of this is what's called your map pack or your local map listing. And ideally, you want to be in one of the top three spots here. It's the only three that are shown. And this is the target, it is the top three. So now I do have you listed in here. I went through it and it looks like you're sitting at spot number 10. So right here. Um, that's great. You're in there. The information is filled out. There's a site attached, pictures. This is wonderful. The reviews, that's huge. So, that definitely lets people know that you are a quality company. So, this is great. The reason that you are in the 10th spot and not higher is because we need to gain additional citations. What a citation is anytime on the internet that your business name, the address, and then the telephone number is listed. So anywhere you're registered. So what that means is that the people that are above you here have more registered listings. So in order to get you to rank higher during that, or in this map pack section, you would need additional citations. So then the second part of this is going down here. This is what's called the organic listings. And with the organic listings, equally obviously just as important as the map pack, you want to be in the top 2 or 3 spots on the first page. Now, of course, to generate all the traffic. Now, I did do a bunch of searching and I just didn't see. I'll be honest with you, I got to about page 10 and then just stopped looking because the fact of the matter is that your future customers are not going to go that deep of a search when they're looking to select a company. They're going to go 9 times out of 10 with a company that's on the first page and pops up very quickly. So what I did was I went ahead and I grabbed your number one and first competitor, which is Green Spaces, and I also grabbed your website, and then we're going to do a little bit of a comparison. So here's your site, of course. It's got some great pictures. It's aesthetically pleasing. I love the layout that was done here. You've got a great amount of command content. So all of the words that are included on your main page is what is referred to as command content. Google constantly crawls the internet looking at this information to best match you with your target audience. So what Google likes to see is 1,500 words of command content. I did pull the amount of command content that you have on your site, and it is 1,737. So, you know what, that's great. A lot of information here. Just a couple of things here and there. I would make sure that all three of these testimonials, that they line up perfectly. Testimonials in the middle so that it stands out. I would also format this just a little bit better as far as making it all centered and so that it's a focal point when people are scrolling down and looking at this information. Up at the top, I did notice right at the top, the very top thing here, your telephone number is kind of hidden over here on the right. So what would be ideal is a call now command button. So a big button right here that nobody can miss that's got your telephone number and would easily allow them to be able to contact you. So all in all, this is a great site. I'm not sure if this was done by yourself or someone else, but regardless, it's a good looking site. All right, so then next we have Green Spaces. This is their site. Now the first thing that sticks out to me with their site, it looks nice. It's again, it's pleasing when I look at it. They've got their services, these things. Immediately, what sticks out to me that is that they do not have enough command content by any means. It's pretty, but it doesn't have enough information. So I did pull the numbers on this, and it looks like they're about 633 words of command content. So you've definitely got them far beat in that section. Now, what that then leads me to figure out is why are they ranking so high if they don't have the amount of command content that you do, and so forth, right? So when we look at the comparables, this is my website data calculator, if you will. What this does is it combs websites and tells me what the data shows. So this is your site here. There's two very important categories here. This is your UR and your DR. What your UR is your trust rating. What your DR is your power rating. Okay. So this UR and DR are calculated by backlinks. So the backlinks power these two ratings. Now, it looks like you've got 8 backlinks, and what backlinks are is just a shout out from another website. Another website has yours listed, and the traffic is able to migrate from that site to yours. So now with the organic search, it looks like for your site is being selected less than once a month, right? And so what this tells me is that there needs to be a lot more backlinks, and they need to be powerful. Not all backlinks are the same. Quality is far more important than quantity. So then when we look in comparison over here at green spaces, now this is their trust rating and their power rating. Now they're sitting at about 472 backlinks. Not super powerful links, because these numbers would be higher if this many backlinks were powerful ones. So again, they're very much beatable. Some powerful backlinks in there in your site would make all of the difference in the world. Now, if you were to beat them out in their spot in their ranking, look at what would be generated. So they're getting 711 folks that are entering and checking out their website every month. So I mean that's wonderful. So again, all in all, these are the stats and the comparison with you and your top competitor, places that you can adjust and fix some things that would definitely get you moved up higher. And I hope you found this to be of great value, and I hope to hear back.